Hi, my name's David Thornburg, and thanks for checking out my message. For those of you who have experience in photoluminescent egress path installation, you know that these can be quite lucrative projects to take on. Not to say that just jumping in and slapping down some handrail tape is going to make you millions of dollars right off the bat. It's not that simple. But really, neither is it that difficult. And I have to say, once you have it figured out, it does become a fairly easy way to make good money that most people just pass up, mainly because they've never done it before, and therefore to them, it isn't worth the time. With American PERMALIGHT Certified Installer Program, we give you the inside scoop and show you just how these projects can become an integral part of your company's income stream, if not an excellent side addition to what you're already doing now. Never heard of photoluminescent? We show you what it is and how it's used, and even how to say the word correctly. Not familiar with the division it's spec'd in or the code requirements that say it has to be in this type of building? We teach you, and it's really not that complicated. Don't know how to bid photoluminescent projects? Our team will walk you through it. I get it. Stick with what you know, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that now more than ever, that's not right. Creating new income streams and diversifying your project bids are all excellent ways to grow your business. And we're here to provide all the tools and information to not just step into this scope of work, but to do it aggressively and win with authority, all while being backed by the best and most trusted photoluminescent manufacturer in the industry. Oh, and just in case I didn't mention it, we're going to help you with the takeoffs, show you how to do installations, and give you the most competitive prices on our products. There really is nothing to lose and so much to gain. Go to AmericanPermalite.com or click on the link provided with this message to get started. I look forward to working with you.